Hi guys, welcome to NAIJA News and Entertainment. Ike broke up with Mercy after he found out she slept with Cubana chief priest. We are still marveled at the shocking development about Ike Oyama and Mercy Ike's relationship after the couple unfollowed each other on Instagram this week. Ike and Mercy did not only unfollow each other on Instagram, but they also deleted each other's photos from their social media pages. The move by them came as a shock to everyone, especially regarding that they reportedly got married in a secret ceremony in Mercy's hometown a few weeks ago. Shortly after the lovers parted ways, Ike went ahead to hang out with Mercy's rival, Thatcher, on Christmas Day, although he was forced to delete the story as mercenaries stormed his page unapologetically. While we are yet to uncover the mystery behind this disunion of Ike and Mercy, a fan has alleged that Ike found out that Mercy slept with Cubana chief priest, hence the reason for their split. We cannot ascertain how true this allegation is, but we know Mercy and Cubana chief priest confirmed their reconciliation after Ike and Mercy unfollowed each other. Guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below.